Are you ready to step up your cooking game with the most incredible kitchen gadgets? Imagine whipping up a gourmet meal quickly or making perfect baked goods every time. These 13 amazing tools will make your kitchen adventures more enjoyable and less of a hassle. From high-tech devices to simple but effective tools, we've got the inside scoop on the must-haves that every chef needs in their arsenal. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and get ready to take some notes, because you won't want to miss out on these game-changing kitchen gadgets. Let's dive in. Number 1. French fry cutter. Looking for an easy-to-use and durable potato cutter? Look no further. No more tedious cutting by hand. This French fry cutter will have you whipping up restaurant-quality fries in no time. With a price tag of $52.99, it's not just affordable, it's built to last with its high-quality stainless steel blade. The extended handle and lever action make it easy to slice through potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more with minimal effort. And with a large cutting capacity, you can even cut an entire potato in one go. Say goodbye to cluttered kitchen counters too, as this cutter is space-saving and easy to clean. Upgrade your cooking game today with the potato cutter. Number 2. Startfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler. Introducing the Startfrit Rotato Express, the electric peeler that's taking the hassle out of meal prep. With its push-button operation and ultra-safe design, the Rotato Express will have you peeling potatoes, fruits, and vegetables in no time. This handy kitchen gadget is not only fast, but also incredibly versatile. The Rotato Express comes with 2 extra blades tucked away in an inbuilt compartment, so you're always ready for any peeling task that comes your way. And if you need to do a little paring work, the handy thumb knife will make quick work of it. At just $19.98, the Startfrit Rotato Express is an affordable and convenient way to make meal prep a breeze. Say hello to perfectly peeled potatoes, fruits, and vegetables in no time. Number 3. Dream Farm Smooth, one-handed stainless steel spring coil vegetable and potato masher. Are you tired of spending endless time and effort mashing your potatoes and vegetables only to end up with a lumpy mess? Well, Dream Farm Smooth is here to change all of that. This innovative kitchen utensil is the world's best potato masher, and with its one-handed operation, you can get silky smooth mash in seconds, with less effort than a regular masher. Oh, and here's a bonus. With a purchase of $80 or more, you'll get a free red mini spoon, which will automatically apply at checkout. So, what are you waiting for? Spring into action with the Dream Farm Smooth, and make mashing your favorite foods a smashingly fun experience. Number 4. Egg Cracker. Looking for a creative and efficient way to open eggs? Look no further. Introducing the fish-shaped egg cracker designed to make your life easier in the kitchen. With its double leaf tray, you can be sure your eggs will stay stable and won't fall, while the leverage principle makes opening eggs a breeze. Made of SUS 304 food-grade material, this egg cracker is not only durable, but safe to use. Say goodbye to dirty hands and hello to perfectly separated eggs every time. And, the best part? It's not just for regular eggs. It can also be used on quail eggs and even poached eggs. So why settle for the traditional way of opening eggs when you can have the convenience and efficiency of the fish-shaped egg cracker for just $18.99? Get yours today. Number 5. Spiralizer 7-blade vegetable slicer. Looking for a kitchen gadget that can help you eat healthier and enjoy your meals even when you're on a diet? Meet the Spiralizer 7-blade vegetable slicer, now available for only $26.97. This third-generation model is stronger than any other Spiralizer on the market. With its 420 high-carbon culinary-grade stainless steel blades and ultra-reinforced ABS, you can now spiralize even harder root vegetables like sweet potatoes and turnips without worrying about breaking the handle. So why wait? Start making healthy gourmet meals with the Spiralizer 7-blade vegetable slicer today. Number 6. Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. Treat yourself to a delicious dessert with the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. This kitchen gadget is a must-have for all ice cream lovers with its 4-quart capacity, which is perfect for feeding a crowd. Whether you prefer vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry ice cream, this unit works perfectly with all Nostalgia ice cream kits. And the best part? The powerful electric motor does all the churning for you, so you don't have to do any manual effort or intensive stirring. Plus, the motor locks into place, keeping all parts secure. You can use your own recipes or follow the ones included in the manual to get started making creamy and delicious ice cream. All of this can be yours for just $31.40. Number 7. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. Alright guys, next we have the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner, the green machine that'll spin your greens to perfection. With just one hand, you can get those leaves as dry as a desert thanks to its patented pump mechanism and handy dandy brake button. And don't worry about sliding around on your countertop. This spinner has a soft, non-slip knob and a non-slip ring that'll keep it steady as a rock. But wait, there's more. This spinner doubles as a serving bowl because who doesn't want a big bowl of perfectly spun greens at the dinner table? And when you're done, the clear, flat lid allows for convenient stacking in your kitchen and disassembles for easy cleaning. Number 8. Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel. The Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel is a game changer for pizza lovers everywhere. Cutting your pizza has never been easier with its stable vertical pressure and large cutting wheel for perfectly controlled slices every time. Say goodbye to jagged, uneven pieces and hello to excellent, clean cuts in one swift motion. And the best part? This pizza cutter is super sharp, yet small enough to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand, so you don't have to deal with bulky rockers taking up space in your kitchen cabinet. And when you're done, simply pop on the protective blade guard for easy storage. Cleanup is a breeze too. Take it apart in 3 simple steps and pop it in the dishwasher. Number 9. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. Healthy. Get ready to cook up a healthy storm with the Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. This versatile appliance has a 7.4-quart capacity, making it easy to cook a full meal with sides in one simple turn of a switch. With 2 separate steaming containers, you can cook multiple items at once, and the included guest-free steaming guide chart ensures perfect results every time. With a quick start heating system, you can be steamed in just 30 seconds, so you can enjoy your favorite foods like fish, poultry, tofu, vegetables, and grains. The 2-tier design even allows you to separate ingredients for different dietary needs. So why wait? With the Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer, you can mix up your kitchen routine and enjoy quick and convenient solutions for healthy cooking. And all for just $36.05. Number 10. Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Get ready to impress your taste buds and dinner guests with the Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. For only $15.95, you'll get an ultra-fast reading thermometer that measures accurate temperature in just 2 to 3 seconds. Say goodbye to undercooked or overcooked meat. The thermometer is waterproof and easy to clean with a food-grade stainless steel probe. And the best part? Smack offers a 100% satisfaction warranty with a 1-year warranty and a 3-year free replacement after warranty registration in a 30 days period, so you can feel confident in your purchase. Don't settle for mediocre cooking. Upgrade to the Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer today. Number 11. Benriner Japanese Vegetable Slicer. This Japanese slicer is a kitchen essential that you won't regret investing in. With an adjustable blade, you can slice with precision and ease from paper thin to medium thickness. And with the bonus of interchangeable coarse blades, this Benriner mandolin slicer is ready for any cutting challenge. And it's all for just $42.41. Number 12. Zulay Original Milk Frother. Calling all coffee connoisseurs, the Milk Boss Frother is here to take your daily brew to the next level. With its ability to make rich, creamy froth in just seconds, you'll never have to settle for plain old coffee again. Whether you're in the mood for a latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate, Milk Boss has got you covered. And let's be real, who doesn't love saving a trip to Starbucks? With this electric drink whisk mixer, you can customize your drinks to your exact taste right in your own kitchen. Not just limited to coffee, this frother also works wonders for whisking up matcha tea, protein drinks, and even healthy shakes and smoothies. So why settle for a bland cup of coffee when you can have a frothy masterpiece every day? Number 13. Meatball Master. Introducing the Meatball Master, your personal meatball sous chef. Say goodbye to unevenly shaped, undercooked, or overcooked meatballs, and hello to perfectly portioned and tender meatballs every time. This kitchen gadget magic maker can whip up to 32 meatballs from 2.2 pounds of meat in no time. Plus, you can cook them right away or freeze them for later. The Meatball Master's unique design even lets you remove portions easily, even when they're frozen. So whether you're craving a quick and delicious weeknight dinner or impressing guests at your next party, the Meatball Master has got you covered. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. Also, in the comments section, please let us know which gadgets you love the most. One more thing, please subscribe to this channel so you can enjoy other videos like this.